Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, there is actually a lot of printable coupons right now, which a lot of us can use if you guys are not buying a lot of inserts right now. But I'm here to share with you what we got. Now please keep in mind today is the last day of the month, so most likely these could be resetting again tomorrow. So make sure you guys print what you think you need or what you think you'll possibly need or whatever, and then make sure, you know, to check, because it might reset tomorrow from what I've learned in the past. So they have a lot of cheese deals: Sargento, Figro, Lily's Bar that reset. Pledge, I think, is a new coupon. Windex, I think that's been around for a while. Glade, Noosa. I'm not printing any of those off because I know I won't be using it. Sheba, Scrubbing Bubbles, Nexium, another Scrubbing Bubbles. Shout, 50 cents. Rice or deli slices. Here's Starbucks. A lot of this is new, but some of it's, you know, still available. Another Sheba, 4 off of 12. A lot of Claritin. More Scrubbing Bubbles off. Usually they always have the good coupons like in the middle. Now here is a $2.50 off of Biotine. I'm printing that off just because there might be some deals with Ibotta coming up. $1 off of 2 cereal. I am kind of running low on cereal, so I need to stock up. I know I need some CoverGirl coupons, so I'm going to definitely print that off. I'm going to print off this Benadryl product because there might be some deals with that coming up. I don't know. Zyrtec, we got a 4 off of that one. I know you usually can kind of get a freebie at Walmart with those. Here's another CoverGirl. And then here's a Bic. We got $2 off stationery products, $2 and up. So basically, if you bought 2 items that were $2 a piece, you'd get them for like $1 a piece. That's how they get ya. Another $1 off Act. Here we got $1.50 off of 2 Yoplait. More Yoplait. These are usually coupons that they post in the beginning of the month. So I don't know if there's going to be new coupons tomorrow. We will see. But they got Okio's, Raid. And that is pretty much it. They did have a $2 off Burt's Bees toothpaste. I'm printing that off in case there's a deal. The Neutral Wholesome Essentials, there's a $5 off, and then the Botanica is $2.50. So those are the coupons that I printed or I'm going to be printing. I'm only printing, let's see, 8 coupons. So that is what I'm printing. I'm going to go back and reprint them all over again. And you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.